Hello friends, today in this video we are going to solve Gender School and Society B.Ed exam paper which was conducted in 2021 and based on MCQ. So hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Vigyan Prayogshala. Let's start the video. Question number 1. Which of the following commissions has recommended Purda schools for girls? Your options are the Indian Education Commission, the Calcutta University Commission, Kothari Commission, Radhakrishnan Commission. The right answer is the Calcutta University Commission. Who wrote the book named The Feminine Mystique in Feminism? Your options are Simone de Beauvoir, Betty Friedan, Mary Wollstonecraft, Alexandra. And the right option is Betty Friedan. Question number 3. In which year was the Ministry of Women and Child Development established as a department under the Ministry of Human Resource Development? Your options are 1980, 1986, 1985, 1988. And the right answer is 1985. Question number 4. What the lines of the poem Khoob Ladi Mardani indicate about sexuality? Your options are bravery is not the natural trait of women. Bravery is the natural trait of women. This statement has not accurate meaning. All statements are wrong. And the right option is bravery is not the natural trait of women. Option A. Question number 5. What is the name of first feminist novel? Option A. Vindication of Right of Women. B. The Second Sex. C. The Origin of Family. D. None of the above. And the right option is Vindication of Right of Women. Option A. 6. Yetra naryestu pujyante ramante tatra devata. In which book is the thought described? Options are A. Upanishad, B. Gita, C. Manusmriti, D. Quran. Right option is Manusmriti. Question number 7. Which of the following committee had given a statement that care should be taken to see that not step is taken which will tend to perpetuate or intensify the existing difference? Option A. Hansa Mehta Committee, B. Durgabai Deshmukh Committee, C. Bhakta Vatsalam Committee, D. Ishwar Bhai Patel Committee. The right option is Durgabai Deshmukh Committee. Question number 8. The meaning of patriarchy is option traditional governance system, B. Mother and father's rule over the family, C. Father's rule over the family, D. None of the above. The right answer is father's rule over the family. Question number 9. Sex and gender can be defined on the basis of the following factor. Option A. Environmental factors, B. Biological factors, C. Sociological factors, D. General factors. The right option is sociological factors. Question number 10. Men don't cry signifies options A. Weeping is not the natural character of men. B. Weeping is the natural character of men. C. Both option A and option B. D. None of the above. The right option is weeping is not the natural character of men. Question number 11. What is word quid pro quo meant in reference of sexual harassment? Option A. Give something to someone. B. Get rid of. C. Give some hidden message to someone. D. Give return for work. The right option is give return for work. Question number 12. The types of discrimination are option A. Gender discrimination, B. Caste discrimination, C. Racial discrimination, D. All of the above. The right option is all of the above. Question number 13. Self-Employed Women Association SEVA was founded by option A. Vandana Shiva, B. Medha Patka, C. Bikaji Kama, D. Ella Bhatt. The right answer is Ella Bhatt. Question number 14. According to the labor suit, what does white collar area mean in capitalism in context of women? Option A. Women are ineligible for labor market. B. Women are ineligible for household works. Option C, both A and B. D, none of the above. The right answer is women are ineligible for labor market. Question number 15. Personal is political. This slogan was given by which ideology of feminism? Option A, socialist feminist. B, radical feminism. C, liberal feminism. D, ecofeminism. And the right answer is radical feminism. Question number 16. Prenatal diagnostic testing was banned in the year. Option A, 1956, 1958, 1994, 1995. The right answer is 1994. Question number 17. Section 326A is related with A, pre-diagnostic natal test. B, attempted to acid attack. C, acid attack. D, cybercrime. The right answer is acid attack. Question number 18. Pornography is included in which category of sexual harassment? Option A, verbal. B, non-verbal. C, physical. D, all of the above. The right option is non-verbal. Question number 19. Domestic violence involves option A, assault. B, negative comments. C, abusing. D, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. 20. Sexuality is affected by option A, the interaction of psychological factors. B, the interaction of social factors. C, option A and option B. D, none of the above. The right answer is both option A and option B. Question number 21. To help the widows by whom the Hindu Widow Home established in 1893 by option A, Justice Mahadev Ranade. B, Dhondo Kesav Karve. C, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. D, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. The right answer is Dhondo Kesav Karve. 22. Which of the following periods is known as the golden period for women? Option A, pre-Vedic period. B, post-Vedic period. C, Muslim period. D, British period. The right answer is pre-Vedic period. 23. Gender discrimination can be removed. Option A, by reform in education system. B, prohibiting in social malpractices. C, by improving the administrating system. D, all of the above. The right option is all of the above. 24. Which are the basic kinds of gender stereotypes? Option A, domestic behavior and physical appearance. B, domestic behaviors, personality trait, occupation, physical appearance. C, domestic behaviors, personality traits and occupation. D, personality traits and occupations. The right option is domestic behavior, personality traits, occupations and physical appearance. 25. What does wastage mean in education? The retention of child in the same class from period or of more than a year. B, the retention of child in class 5th. C, a parameter withdrawal of children from school before completion of primary education. D, all of the above. The right answer is a parameter withdrawal of children from school at any stage before completion of primary education. Question number 26. Kasturba Gandhi Vidyalaya scheme is related with option A, primary education. B, secondary education. C, higher education. D, all of the above. The right answer is secondary education. Question number 27. For written complaint in case of sexual harassment by a female employee, how long time has been set from the date of incident? 1 month, 2 months, 3 months or 4 months? The right answer is 3 months. Question number 28. Beti Bachao Beti Padhao program is operated under which of the following ministerial joint effort? Option A, Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. B, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Human Development, Resource and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. C. Ministry of Women and Child Development and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. D. Ministry of Human Development and Ministry of Women and Child Development Resource. The right answer is Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Human Development Resource and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. 29. What is UDAN program? A. It is the enrollment scheme of girls students in prestigious engineering institutions. B. It is the enrollment scheme of girls in primary school. C. It is the enrollment scheme of boys and girls in primary school. D. It is the scholarship scheme for girls. The right answer is it is the enrollment scheme of girls students in prestigious engineering institutions. Question number 30. What should be the role of mass communication tools in gender challenges? A. To provide information related to political event. B. To provide entertainment information. C. To aware about gender challenges. D. To provide historical information. The right answer is to aware about gender challenges. Question number 31. What kind of assistance has been provided under One Stop Center Sakhi? A. Medical assistance, psychological assistance, legal assistance, all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. 32. Who was the first Indian woman to reach the rank Lieutenant General in the Indian Army? A. Punita Arora, B. Punita Khanna, C. Arati Shah, D. Roshini Sharma. The right answer is Punita Arora. 33. Which of the committee gave suggestion that state councils of women education should be established in each state? A. Durgabai Deshmukh Committee, B. Hansa Mehta Committee, C. Acharya Narendra Deva Committee, D. Ram Murthy Committee. The right answer is Durgabai Deshmukh Committee. 34. What is meant for morphing? A. Editing the original picture, B. To follow someone, C. To call someone, D. All of the above. The right answer is editing the original picture. Question number 35. What suffrage movement was feminism? A. It was the struggle for the right of women to vote. B. It was the struggle for the equal wages. C. Both option A and option B. D. None of the above. The right answer is it was the struggle for the right of women to vote. And that's the whole paper. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon too. And for more videos, you can check out our B.Ed playlist and lot more videos about B.Ed. Thank you.